This is Barbara with Kaizink, and I'm going to show you how to add your setup charges and your shipping charges on a presentation to a customer for promotional products. When you're in ESP and you have already created your presentation, you would go into each individual product, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you would click on Setup Charge here. It's not automatically there. Then you would click on Add Custom Charge, and while you're in here under Charge Details, drop that down, change this to Shipping Charge, and our shipping charge, because I looked it up, I know that it is $175. So I'm going to add that in, and then we scroll all the way back up to the top and click Save, and that has added those two charges to your presentation. Thank you for watching.